So this is the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra. It is a very powerful and feature-rich Android tablet. It has a 14-inch, 0.6-inch OLED display with very high refresh rate. I think it's like 120 hertz refresh rate. It has a large 11,200 milliamp battery for all-day battery life. I don't know why it keeps shutting down. It has a 12 megapixel camera on the front side of it with a ultra wide 12 megapixel camera with it. So this is your standard camera, and then this is your ultra wide. You can do split screen, which this is pretty cool, where you can do this with it, so you can drag it around and open up another app. Let's go to here. So now you can split screen that while also having everything else. Let's open up the Aurora store with the F-Droid, which is pretty cool, with YouTube on the side. Yeah, this is a very, I can't wait until they get a de-Googled version of this OS, which is pretty cool. How can I see? There it is. Which we won't need like all these Google apps and things on here. But yeah, I like this. I think you'll enjoy this too. Battery information. So hope you enjoyed this review. It's very jank. This is also recorded on the DJI Action 5 Pro. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is the Tab S9 Ultra. You can see it's pretty good. Let's go to here. Not bad. Sounds great. We're actually doing 2 reviews today. This is the Tab S9 Ultra, and then the Action 5 Pro.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more like this, comment down below and hit that like button. Thank you.
Oh, this is a mess.